Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Inter Learning Academy. Here we are back with the new video for Class 2 English Unit 3 and the title of the poem is Smile. So let's see. So we are going to start new poem and the title of the poem is Smile. So children, can you see this? There are two faces here. There are two emoticons here. So, which face do you like the most? This is the smiling face and this is the sad face. So, children, which face do you like the most? I like the smiling face. Why? Because it brings wrinkles on the face. So, children, this is how we look when we smile and this is how we look when we feel sad. Sad का मतलब होता है दुखी. Smile करते हैं तो कैसे face बनता है? Like this. And जब दुखी रहते हैं like this. So let's start the poem and the title of the poem is Smile. A smile makes everyone happy. Enjoy this poem. A smile. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face and when it is gone, you will never find its secret hiding place. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. So children, what has been told in this poem? A smile. This poem is about a smile. This is how your smiling face looks like. See children, this is how your smiling face looks like. A smile is quite a funny thing. Now, what is this poem telling us? That a smile. Smile का मतलब होता है मुस्कुराहट. That is quite a funny thing. Quite का मतलब होता है काफी funny thing. Funny means मजेदार. It wrinkles up your face. Now children, what is wrinkles? Wrinkles का मतलब होता है झुर्रियाँ. जब हम लोग स्माइल देते हैं तो जब हम लोग मुस्कुराते हैं तो फेस में थोड़ी सी झुर्रियाँ आती है. Can you see? These are the wrinkles. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face and when it is gone and जब अपनी smile चले जाती है you will never find. वो हम ढूंढने पे भी वापस नहीं आती है. It's secret hiding place. Now children, secret का मतलब होता है राज and hiding place का मतलब होता है छुपने की जगह. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. So children, what is this telling? This is telling that you smile at one. जब हम लोग किसी को देख के smile देते हैं तो वो भी हमें वापस से smile देते हैं. Can you see in this figure? ये भी smile कर रही है. He is also smiling. You smile at one. हम लोग एक आदमी को देख के जब smile देते हैं वो वापस से हमें smile देता है. And so one smile makes two. इस तरह एक smile दो smiles हो जाती है. Right children? So children, what are the new words that we have learnt in this poem? Wrinkles, जिसका मतलब होता है झुर्रियाँ. Next is secret. Secret का मतलब होता है राज. Hiding place का मतलब होता है छुपने की जगह. So let's do it again. Wrinkles, secret and hiding place. Now let's move to the next slide. Let's read. My grandmother has many wrinkles on her face. Now my grandmother. Can you see this grandmother? She has many wrinkles on her face. मतलब ये जो दादी माँ है उनके फेस में बहुत सारी झुर्रियाँ हैं, बहुत सारे wrinkles हैं. Wrinkles का मतलब होता है झुर्रियाँ. Shall I tell you a secret? क्या मैं तुम्हें एक राज की बात बताऊँ? Next, reading is fun. Why is a smile a funny thing? Smile funny thing क्यों है? Smile मजेदार thing क्यों है? Because a smile is a funny thing because it brings wrinkles on the face. मजेदार क्यों है? Because जब हम मुस्कुराते हैं तो हमारे फेस में झुर्रियाँ आ जाती हैं. Now let's move to the next question. what happens when you smile at someone? When we smile at someone, they also smile back at us. जब हम लोग किसी को देख के मुस्कुराते हैं या स्माइल देते हैं तो वो भी हमें देख के स्माइल देते हैं. Next, let's listen a joke. I asked my mother for 20 rupees. So this boy is telling about this. I asked my mother for 20 rupees. I see the lion jump the trees. He jumped so high, he touched the moon and never came back till the end of June. Now children, what is this boy telling here? This boy is telling us that I asked my mother. मतलब ये अपनी मम्मा से 20 rupees मांगता है. क्या मांगता है? 20 rupees. क्यों मांगता है? क्योंकि उसके गांव में मेला लगा हुआ था. एंड मेले में क्या था? मेले में there was a lion. What was in the fair? There was a lion in the fair. And he wanted to see that lion jump the trees. He jumped so high. जो lion रहता है वो इतना ऊंचा जंप करता है. He touched the moon. वो मून टच करता है. And never came back. और वो वापस कभी भी नहीं आता है. Till the end of June. Now, can you tell a joke and make everyone laugh? Say it first in your own language and then in English. So children, what you have to do here is, to do this activity, you can take the help from your parents. आप अपने मम्मी से, आप अपने पापा से जोक सुन सकते हैं और आपस में मस्ती कर सकते हैं. Now, let's quickly move to the next slide. Say aloud. Trunk, sunk, junk. Let's repeat. Trunk, sunk, junk. Now, what are these? These are the rhyming words. Did you notice that these are the rhyming words? What are rhyming words? See, rhyming words means with same ending and same sound RI. For example, trunk, sunk, junk. और एक बना सकते हैं. Can we make one more? Yes, drunk. D-R-U-N-K, drunk. Fine. Now let's move to the next one. Sink, think, pink. Let's repeat. Sink, think and pink. So these are again the rhyming words because they are ending with the same sound. They are ending with the same sound. So children, usually we find rhyming words in the poem. हमें rhyming words कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? We can find the rhyming words in the poem. Now, sink, think and pink. एक rhyming word और लिख सकते हैं, that is blink. B-L-I-N-K, blink. Now let's move ahead. Wrinkle, wriggle and write. Let's repeat. Wrinkle, wriggle, write. Now, did you notice something in this, children? This is W. I did not pronounce this word. Wrinkle को कैसे read करते हैं? It is not. W को कैसे read करते हैं? W. W says W. अब मैं यहाँ पे क्या बोल रही हूँ? 1 second, children. Let me erase this. Yes. This is wrinkle, wriggle and write. Now, how do I read this? Wrinkle नहीं बोल रही हूँ. I am not pronouncing it as wrinkle. What am I pronouncing it as? Wrinkle. So, I am not reading this word. So, because W is silent here. So, next word is wriggle. Next word is wriggle. So, यहाँ पे भी मैं W का sound नहीं निकाल रही हूँ because W is silent here. Now, next word is write. What is next word? Write. So, how am I reading this word? मैं इसको write नहीं बोल रही हूँ, वो थोड़ी लगा रही हूँ. What am I telling here? Write. So, this W and this W all are silent. So, I am not reading these letters. Let's practice once again, children. How will we pronounce this? It's wrinkle. How we will pronounce it? It's wrinkle, it's wriggle and it's write. Now, let's move ahead. This is worry, work and wonderful. Let's repeat. Worry, work and wonderful. When we read W in column 3, it has no sound. See children, यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है? Just a second, let me erase this. Yes. So what has been told here? When we read W in the third column, यहाँ पे W has no sound. मैंने अभी आपको बताया था W has no sound. Look at the word talk. What is this word? Talk. Here L is silent. What is silent in this word? L is silent. Now say the silent letter in the following words aloud. मैंने इसको talk थोड़ी बोला है. I did not say it has talk. Why? Because L is silent here. Now let's read this. Walk. How will we pronounce this? We will pronounce this as walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Now in this, what is the silent letter? Which is the silent letter here? I don't read it as walk. मैं इसको walk नहीं बोल रही हूँ. So here L is the silent. Next letter is M-O-R-E. So children, how we will read this word? We are not reading it as more. इसको मोरे नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं. Rather हम इसको कैसे रीड कर रहे हैं? M-O-R-E, more. So यहाँ पे E is silent. Next, W-R-A-P, wrap. What am I reading? Wrap. यहाँ पे what is silent? W is silent. So how we will read this word? R-A-P, wrap, because W is silent here. Now last word is joke. J-O-K-E, joke. So which is the silent letter here? E is the silent letter here. Now let's move ahead. All the following words have an I sound that rhymes with my. Can you fill in the letter and say the words aloud? Now children, there are some words given here. Can you see? What we have to do here is, we have to fill in the blanks. Let's start doing it. Yeah. What is this word? S-M-I-L-E. So how will you read this word? S-M-I-L-E is smile. Smile. Smile का मतलब होता है मुस्कुराहट. So next word is K-I-T-E, kite. Kite का मतलब होता है पतंग. Next word is mice. चूहा. M-I-C-E, mice. Next word is line. L-I-N-E, line. Now children, it's a riddle time. Which is the longest word in the world? सबसे लंबा word कौन सा है? The longest word in the world is smile. Why? Because there is a mile between two S. देखो यहाँ पे S M I L E. Which is the longest letter? The longest letter is smiles because there is a gap between mile. देखो यहाँ पे, can you see? Smiles because there is a mile between two S. ये एक S, ये दो S. इसके बीच में क्या है? Mile. Now let's move ahead. Let's write. Now children, there is some game here. What you have to do here is, you have to read this poem. Tic-tac-toe, round I go. If I miss, I will take this. So what you have to do children here? You have to play this game by closing your eyes. How you have to play this game? You have to play this game by closing your eyes and you have to recite this poem. आपको ये poem recite करनी है. Then you have to keep your finger moving. जहाँ पे suppose वो यहाँ पे stop होता है. Then you have to say big animal. Which is the big animal? E says a elephant. So E is the big animal. Elephant is the big animal. Now again after stopping, again you have to recite the poem. Tic-tac-toe, round I go. If I miss, I will take this. No, while reciting the poem, you have to rotate your finger like this. Once you have completed with this poem, you have to stop your finger. Suppose आपकी finger यहाँ पे जाके रुक जाती है. कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे. Suppose it stops here. So what is the clue given here? A bird's home. N से एक bird का home आता है. What is that? That is N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. So children, you can play this game with your sisters, brothers, or your father or your mother. Fine. Now quickly move to the next slide. Team time. Again children, we have some activity here. Now we have to play this in team. Team का मतलब होता है group में. What you have to do? You have to make 3-4 groups बनाना है. Then each group को आपको एक नाम देना है. Suppose I am red, she is yellow, that group is blue. आपको ऐसा नाम लिखना है आपके. You have to take a clay. What you have to do? You have to take a clay and you have to take a matchstick. You have to take a clay and you have to take a matchstick. And suppose I am red. What will I write here? I will write here R-E-D, red. What will I write here? R-E-D, red. Fine children. What you have to do? आपको 4 groups बनाना है and you have to keep the names for each group. Suppose I am from the red group. I will take a clay and I will take a matchstick. I will write my name R-E-D, red, on this. Fine children. And you have to keep it for dry. और इसको सुखाने के लिए रख देना है. और next day you can keep it in your class or you can put it on your display board. Fine. Now let's move ahead. Fun time. Have fun with clay. Again this activity is about clay. So what is clay? आपको पता है, everybody has that clay, right? So what you have to do here is you have to take a clay. अभी मेरे पास clay नहीं है तो मैं आपको इससे समझा देती हूँ. You have to take a clay and you have to उसका ball बनाना है. Then you have to take a pin. You have to take a pin and वो जो clay है उसमें you have to draw the eyes. Eyes बनाना है. Then you have to make a face like this. See, आपको you have to make 2 eyes. Then you have to make a smiling face like this. Then you can make chotis. Can you see in this figure? You can make chotis or you can make different items with the help of clay. Fine children. Now children, there is a poem here. If you are happy and you know it. Now what you have to do here is you have to sing with actions. Remember to keep smiling. Okay children, let's start this. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know and you really want to show. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. Fine children, you have to recite this poem and you have to do with actions. Let's repeat once again. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know and you really want to show. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. Fine children. Now you have to repeat this rhyme with the following actions. Next action is, if you are happy and you know, nod your head. If you are happy and you know, nod your head. If you are happy and you know and you really want to show. If you are happy and you know, nod your head. Next you have, if you are happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you are happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you are happy and you know and you clearly want to show. If you are happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you are happy and you know, say ha 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 ha. If you are happy and you know, say ha 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 ha. If you are happy and you know and you really want to show. If you are happy and you know, say ha 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 ha. So children, you can practice this. Fine children. Now let's move ahead. Let's practice. Here we have some words and those words are in some cursive. Let's see what are the words here. This is W. What you have to do here is you have to simply trace it. Fine children, you have to trace it. This is W-O-N, What is this? W-O-N. Next we have, what do we have next letter? Sun. S-U-N, sun. What is the next word? Sun. S-U-N, sun. Now next word we have man. M-A-N, man. What you have to do? You have to connect the dots and you have to say and write. This is M-A-N, man. Next we have day. D-A-Y, day. D-A-Y, day. See children, teacher is also telling and writing. You also have to say and write. Next letter is fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Next we have hot. H-O-T, hot. Hot matlab garam garam. H-O-T, hot. Next we have O-N-E, one. What do we have next? O-N-E, one. Then we have T-W-O-2. Just a second children. Yeah, what do we have next? T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. Simply you have to trace it and you have to say and write. Again we have fan. Far. F-A-R. Far. What is this? F-A-R. Far. What is next word? Next word is far. Far का मतलब होता है दूर. F-A-R. Far. So fine children, let's read once. W-O-N-1, D-A-Y, day, O-N-E, one, S-U-N, sun, F-A-N, fan, T-W-O-2, M-A-N, man, H-O-T, hot, and F-A-R, far. Fine children? That's all for today children. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll meet you soon with the new video. Till then, bye, take care and stay blessed. Thank you.